this is our 2004 Honda Element. We got it for $1, and this is the beginning of our Project Element, if you want to call it that. We're going to chronicle on YouTube some of the things we're doing to this thing to get it back to shape. It has almost 335,000 miles on it, but like I said, we got it for $1, and we want to show you really the only thing we've done so far besides move a couple things around. The car is very, very dirty, but the only thing we've really done to it so far is we've gotten a new battery, and we'll show you that in just a moment.
Okay guys, so I'm out here with my dad working on the Project Element. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we've done so far. So far we've put a new battery in it and we picked it up yesterday. The car needs a lot of work, so here is the engine. You said it has 335,000 miles on it, almost. We got the new battery here, right here. We put that in yesterday, and who we purchased it from, he says he believes they went ahead and put a new engine in it, but he wasn't 100% sure.
Can't verify that.
So here in a couple minutes we'll show you the body of the vehicle and the rest of it inside, and then we're gonna get started cleaning it up.
The one other new thing we did do, because of changing the battery, the radio did not work, and when you tried to turn it on, it said code. I went online and found out how to get the code to be able to install it in the battery. There should be a little sticker inside the glove compartment to tell you that code. It's not there. So I went online, found out how to do it, and the radio is now working. CD player works. So that's all we've done to the car so far. Everything else we're going to chronicle for you just how filthy this thing is. Alright, the first thing is you can see, I don't know if you can see this here, it does have a cracked windshield. So here in Maryland for safety inspection, after we get the inspection, we will have to get a new windshield. The windshield wipers are pretty much toast because of this. They don't really do anything. I've already purchased them, but we're not going to put them on until we replace the windshield. If you come around this way, we'll start at the back, and I'll show you just how dirty this car actually is. Now, it already looks a little better because the guy did get some of the garbage out. You got to get the back unlocked. If you look in, Lawrence and I, when we went to look at it, actually did get the rear seats put up, but you can see just some of the trash he left. Now that's the old battery, but all the rest of this he left in here. Now this is the new stuff we bought for the windshield wipers and then doing oil change. But all the rest of this is the trash that was in it. In fact, even if you look under the spare wheel cover, it's filled with trash too. So I really don't know how all that trash got down in there, but somehow it did. Just everywhere. I mean, you can see all the dirt and looks like kitty litter and stuff. And then everywhere you look in the vehicle, as we start looking, you're going to find light bulbs. In fact, I found some dead ones underneath there. There's all kinds of stuff. But let's walk around to the side here. You'll be able to see it. Now earlier, my son Josiah got in and some trash actually fell out as he was getting in. I love these little doors here, but you can see more of the trash he left here. I don't even know what all this stuff is. We're going to try to get most of the trash out today.
Now I am.
Alright, it looks like he left us a little Motor Trend air pump. Don't know if it works or not. Looks like it's new. Have to find out if he wants that back. He's a roommate of a friend of mine from work. But my son Josiah actually laughed and he said, hey Dad, while we're in the process, we'll probably make some money because for some reason there's coinage all over the car. And Josiah says we'll probably find more than $1, so we might make some money in the beginning. He had all kinds of music that, of course, we wouldn't listen to. So as we get it cleaned up, we'll get back to him whatever he wants, and then the rest of it we'll just trash.
What's funny is we should save that change and actually specifically put it towards stuff for this vehicle.
Absolutely. We even have. Anybody want some club and cheese crackers? Don't know how long they've been in there. We got some Mucinex. Anybody feeling sick? Looks like we got some. Looks like we got a winning $2 lottery ticket. Maybe I'll get it back to him. Hey, I already made $2 if I cash it out. Looks like we got some free food from Chick-fil-A. All kinds of stuff here. So, a free entree from Qdoba. some other place. So some of this stuff we might see if he wants back. The rest of it, a drumstick. I do know he's in some type of band, but there's all kinds of trash. All right, after we get some of this out, we'll get back to you.
Okay guys, so this is where we're at. We pulled out all the trash and cleaned it all out. Got all the trash out. We put down the seats. This is what it looks like with the seats down. A whole bag worth of trash. So we'll come over here to the side and you'll see the difference. There's not trash falling out of the car anymore. Just pulling out the trash makes it feel a lot better. We got a bucket, a lot bigger too. We got a bucket of soapy water over there so we can scrub down some stuff. Everything up here we cleared out, all the stuff. There was stuff in almost every nook and cranny. If you go over here to our wall, we can show you everything that was in the car. You had a whole bunch of stuff. There's that air pump. That's mine. There was a fuse puller, some fuses. We joked. We said this is the cleanest thing in the car. One Wipe Charlie's. It's a little wet wipe. Brand new roll of duct tape. We got an antenna, brake cleaner, toilet paper. There is the key fob for it. A little bolt, fuses, light bulbs, a Superman pin thing. We have razor blades, oil filter, wrench, a whole bunch of little screwdrivers, a couple sockets. We found a selfie stick in there. Like my dad was saying earlier, we got all of these. They were like gift cards and everything for free food. There's some guitar strings, Sony Walkman, sport version. That's older, plays cassettes. We've got, we found a couple lighters, another little Sony Discman, plays discs. We pulled out the car mount for the phones, and we have a caulk gun, a Windex, and our cup of change that we found. It's like $5–10 worth of change. So I guess we paid for the car.
More change.
And my dad just said he found some more change.
Drop a dime.
So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum out the vehicle now and clean it out some more, and we'll give you guys an update here in a little bit. Okay.
All right, well here we are. I don't know exactly how long we've been working, but this is our first initial cleaning of the interior. Haven't really done anything on the outside. If you want to come take a look, I will show you one thing we discovered that was a problem. The top latch here doesn't latch. We got to get that fixed. Right in here, it's probably something right in this pillar here. It doesn't lock down on here, but if you look on the inside, it already looks a whole lot better than it did.
Sorry if you guys can't see it the greatest. It's starting to get dark out, but it's 1,000 times better than it was, I would say. No more trash all over the floors. We scrubbed the floors. We still have the ceiling to do. Ceiling's still dirty. And what else did we have to clean? The ceiling and the seats.
And also just another go
and another go over on everything. But other than that, it looks
show them the back.
A lot better. Here's the back here. The back looks really good. The seats still need to be done a little bit, and then a little more.
A lot of that scratches.
But a lot of it's scratches. Like he just said that.
It is 14 years old.
Mm-hmm. So that's pretty much it for now.
Thank you. Like and subscribe, and we may have more videos coming soon.
Okay guys, so we went ahead and counted all of the change we found in the Element, and it totaled to $8.54. So that's pretty much it for now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below if you have any suggestions or questions. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.